In this demonstration, we're going to review how to use eMercury's Image Manager. This video goes over the basics, uploading and storing images and then adding them to your emails. The rule of thumb for adding images to your emails is, the larger the image, the longer the load time. Image resizing, while not required, is recommended for images larger than 100 KB. There's a feature in Windows 7 called Paint that you can use to resize existing images. For more information on this, check out our video on how to crop and resize an image. To access the Image Manager from the menu bar, click on the Assets button and select Image Manager. You can gain access to images through folders. Use an existing folder or create a new one by clicking on the drop-down menu, Folder Actions. Select New Folder and fill in the name. You can upload up to 20 images at a time. For our first example on adding images to emails, we will use the HTML editor. You can gain access to the Image Manager in the HTML and template editors by clicking on the image icon. Click on the image icon now. The first screen is the Image Properties screen, which defines the properties of the image being added. Let's first load an image from the Image Manager and then define the image properties. Right-click on the image. You can select from the following: adjust the width and the height, add horizontal spacing in front of the image, or add vertical spacing above it. You can adjust alignment and move the image to the right or left. You can change the image size directly in the editor. Click on the side of the image and drag it to resize. You can also move an image in the editor. However, you need to create a space to place the image in. Hitting the return key creates vertical spaces, while hitting the space bar creates horizontal spaces. When you've created the new space, you can then drag the image into it. Now, returning back to image properties, you can copy and paste the URL of your stored image into other places, like websites and blogs. Adding alternative text gives the image a descriptive name and is good practice for SEO. In the next example, we will add an image using the template editor. Create a campaign. Select the template that you want for your email. Click on Edit in the area of the image you want to change. An abbreviated HTML editor will appear. Here you will find the image icon. Select your image, insert it, and save it. This brings us to the end of this video. Be sure to check out our other university tutorials and hear how easy it is to use our email marketing system.